Hi, it's Lisa Hanfileti, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for your own free Systeme.io account. So what you need to do is go to www.lisas.tech/system, and it will take you to this page right here. There should be a pop-up that says get your lifetime account for free. I wanted you to see here that in your free account, you're going to get 3 funnels. I'm going to show you how to import 1 funnel today, so you have that all completely set up. Up to 2,000 contacts, a community, a blog. You can put a course in here. You could actually start selling that course on the free plan. You can have unlimited students, unlimited email sending. I'll tell you, this right here is a pretty remarkable thing for a free account. You can also set up your own affiliate program, 0% on transaction fees, and 24/7 email support. Their email support is actually very good. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an email address that I've used, that I haven't used, so you can see the setup from the start. That's part of the reason why I'm in an incognito window. You do not need to be in an incognito window. I'm in that because I already have an account with Systeme, but I want you to see the process from the get-go. This is one of those things where all you have to do is click out of here, and we need to head to our email because that's the next step. So I'm going to click out of here. And you will see that offer again. I'm going to go to my email and I'm going to see if I got an email. I did. Here's Systeme. I need to confirm my email address because that's how they get you set up. So here is the email from Systeme. It says, in order to access your Systeme.io account, please click on this confirmation email. So I'm going to click on that confirmation email. And now it's going to give me an opportunity to create a password. So I'm going to do that right now. See if that works. I'm still not a robot. Click save. All right, that worked. Do that. So now I'm in my Systeme.io account. It's free and it looks really plain and boring, right? That's okay. I will show you how to navigate through here in a little bit. But part of the beauty of Systeme.io is that it is simple, but it's actually very, very powerful. I've used a lot of different software, and this is a really good one. One of the places that you're going to be hanging out the most is in this section called funnels. And I'm just going to click on it right now. And you can say, look, this looks empty. There are no funnels in here because the next step is I'm going to show you how to automatically transfer a funnel into your Systeme.io account.